In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to delete a Facebook account from iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Facebook app and log into the account. Tap on this menu at the bottom right, tap on Settings, tap on Account Center. In Account Center, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account to delete. And here select Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. All you have to need after selecting Delete Account is tap on Continue. And we can see if I delete my account, all of these data will be deleted also. Now just tap on Continue and verify your Facebook account password, and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.